If your brain hurts just thinking about coding languages, you're not alone. The world of programming can feel like a maze, especially when you're just starting out. With so many languages, frameworks, and tools out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed before you even write your first line of code. But don't worry, everyone starts somewhere, and choosing your first language is a big step, but it doesn't have to be a scary one. If your hello world looks like a secret code, you're probably new here. That's totally normal. Every programmer, from the most seasoned developer to the absolute beginner, has stared at a blinking cursor and wondered where to begin. The good news? The first step is always the hardest, and you're already on your way. Don't worry, let's make it simple. Today we're breaking down 3 of the most popular programming languages for beginners: Python, C++, and Java. Each has its own strengths, quirks, and ideal uses. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which one might be the best fit for you. Think of Python as the bicycle with training wheels. It's designed to help you learn the basics without falling over. Python is famous for its simplicity and readability, making it the go-to language for beginners all over the world. Just like learning to ride a bike, you'll pick up the fundamentals quickly and build confidence as you go. The code reads like English, so you're not wrestling with weird symbols. Python's syntax is clean and straightforward, which means you can focus on learning how to think like a programmer rather than getting bogged down by confusing rules or cryptic punctuation. This is a huge advantage when you're just starting out. Want to print "Hello World"? It's just print "Hello World." That's it. No semicolons, no curly braces, no complicated setup. You can start writing real programs in minutes and see results right away. This instant feedback is incredibly motivating for new learners. Python is everywhere. Websites, AI, data science, you name it. It's used by companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. Whether you want to build a website, analyze data, automate boring tasks, or even dive into artificial intelligence, Python has you covered. Its massive community means there are tons of tutorials, forums, and libraries to help you along the way. Downsides? Not the fastest for games or mobile apps, but perfect for learning. Python trades some speed for simplicity, so if you're dreaming of building the next big video game or a high-performance mobile app, you might run into some limitations. But for most beginners, that's a small price to pay for how easy it is to get started. Now C++, let's shift gears. This one's the sports car, super powerful but easy to crash. C++ is a language that gives you a lot of control, but with that power comes responsibility. It's fast, efficient, and used in everything from video games to operating systems. If you want to understand how computers really work under the hood, C++ is the way to go. Great for gaming and systems, but you'll juggle concepts like memory and pointers. Unlike Python, C++ makes you manage the details, like how your program uses memory. This can be tricky, but it's also a fantastic way to learn the fundamentals of computer science. Many of the world's most popular games and high-performance applications are built with C++. Expect a steeper learning curve and more errors, but it's awesome if you love a challenge. C++ will push you to think deeply about how your code works, and you'll probably spend a lot of time debugging. But if you enjoy solving puzzles and want to build things that run blazingly fast, C++ is a rewarding choice. So, if you're the type who likes to tinker, experiment, and really get your hands dirty, C++ might be your perfect match. But remember, it's not the easiest path, so be ready for a challenge. Then there's Java, the Goldilocks pick. Not too simple, not too wild. Java sits right in the middle. It's more structured than Python, but less complex than C++. It's designed to be portable, meaning your code can run on almost any device, from laptops to smartphones to massive servers. Java powers Android apps and teaches you the rules of coding discipline. If you're interested in mobile development, especially for Android, Java is a must-know. It's also used in big enterprise systems, banking software, and more. Learning Java will teach you about object-oriented programming, which is a key concept in many modern languages. A bit more typing, but tons of job opportunities. Java is everywhere in the business world, and knowing it can open doors to a wide range of careers. It's a bit more verbose than Python, meaning you'll write more code to do the same thing, but that structure helps you learn good habits that will serve you well in any language. So, how do you choose? Think about your goals. Do you want to build websites, analyze data, or automate tasks? Python is your friend. Are you fascinated by how computers work or want to build high-performance games? C++ is calling your name. Interested in mobile apps or enterprise software? Java is a solid bet. So, want easy wins? Try Python. It's the friendliest introduction to programming, and you'll see results fast. You'll be able to build simple projects, automate your daily life, and even dip your toes into more advanced topics like machine learning, all without getting lost in technical details. Love tinkering? Go C++. If you're the kind of person who likes to take things apart and see how they work, C++ will give you the tools to do just that. You'll learn about memory, performance, and the inner workings of computers, skills that will make you a better programmer in any language. Want a career boost? Java's your buddy. With its strong presence in the job market and its use in everything from mobile apps to large-scale enterprise systems, Java is a smart investment in your future. Plus, the skills you learn in Java will transfer easily to other languages down the road. My advice? Start with Python, then level up. Once you're comfortable, you can always branch out to C++ or Java, or even try something completely different. The most important thing is to start, keep learning, and have fun along the way. Happy coding! Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and your journey is just beginning.